Hello everyone, myself Dr. Nutan Chauhan. Today we will discuss the topic approximation of error. The content of our today topic is approximation of error, and next we will discuss the problem of application of approximation of error. So what is the approximation of error? Suppose z is a function of x and y. It means we can write that z is equals to f of xy, and if we do small change, x and y are the del x and del y respectively, then del of z will be the corresponding small change in z. So z plus del z is equals to f of x plus del x, y plus del y. Subtracting equation from 1 from 2, then we get del of z is equals to f of x plus del x, y plus del y minus of f of xy. And if we take the Taylor series expansion of this term and neglecting higher power of del x and del y, then we get del of z is equals to f of xy plus del f over del x delta x plus del f over del y delta y, and if we neglecting the higher power, then minus of f of xy. And if we cancel about f of xy to minus of xy, then we get del of z is equals to fx del x plus del f del y. And if we replace del x del y del z to dx dy dz in terms of differentiation, then we get d of z is equals to del f by del x dx plus del f over del y dy. And first note is that if del of x is the error in x, then the relative error will be del x by x. And if we want to calculate the percentage error, then it will be del x by x into 100. Next we discuss some examples. First example is find the percentage error in the area of an ellipse when an error of +1 amount is made in measuring the major and minor axis. Let x and y are the semi-major and semi-minor axis of an ellipse. Then the area of an ellipse will be a is equals to pi of xy. And if we take log on both sides, then we get log of a is equals to log pi plus log x plus log y. And if we differentiate this equation, then we get del a over a plus 0 plus del x over x plus del y over y. And given that percentage error in major and minor axis, it means given that del x by x into 100 equals to 1 and del f over del y into 100 equals to 1. So if we multiply 100 on both sides, we get del a by a into 100 is equals to del x by x into 100 plus del y of y into 100. This value is equals to 1 and this is also 1. So del a over a into 100 is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So the percentage error in area is equals to 2. Our next example is a balloon is in the form of right circular cylinder of radius 1.5 and length 4 meter and is surmounted by hemispherical length. If the radius is increased by 0.001 meter and length by 0.05 meter, find the percentage change in the volume of the balloon. In the question, we have given that r is equals to radius is equals to 1.5, it means r is equals to 1.5, and length is equals to 4 meter, it means h is equals to 4, and increased in radius by 0.01 meter and increased in length by 0.05 meter. So we will denote it del of r is equals to 0.001 and del of h is equals to 0.05. So the volume of the cone will be pi r square h due to the right circular cylinder plus 2 pi by 3 r square plus 2 pi by 3 r square due to the hemispherical end. So its volume of the cone will be pi r square h plus 4 pi by pi r cube. If we differentiate it, then we get del of v is equals to pi 2r del r h plus pi r square del h plus 4 by 3 pi 3r square del of r. And if we take pi r as a common in the above equation, then we get del of v is equals to pi r 2h del r plus r del h plus 4 del r. Del of v divided by v is equals to pi r 2h del r plus h del h plus 4r del r divided by pi r square h plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. And if we substitute these values in this equation, then we get del of v by v is equals to 0.215 divided by 9. And we have to calculate the percentage error. So we will multiply it by 100. So our percentage error in volume of the cone is equals to del v by v into 100. It means 0.25 divided by 9 into 100 is equals to 2.389%. Our next example is, what error in the common logarithm of a number will be produced by an error of 1% in the number? So let x be any number and its log is represented by y. So y is equals to log x base 10. It's a common logarithm. So its base will be 10. Y is equals to log x base. If we differentiate it, then we get del of y is equals to 1 by x log e del x base 10. And if we separately del x by x into 100 into 1 by 100 log e base 10. Here we multiply and divide by 100 because we have the percentage error. So its value is equals to 1. So we get only 1 by 100 log e base 10. And what is the value of log e base 10? Its value is equals to 0.43429. So del y is equals to 0.43429 divided by 100. It means its value is equals to 0.0043429. Our next example is, find approximate value of 1.04 to the power 3.01. So to solve this type of question, we let the function f of xy of this type. So we let f of xy is equals to x to the power y, and f is a function of x and y. So we can differentiate partially with respect to x and y. We know that del of f over del of x is equals to yx to the power y minus 1. It means if we differentiate f partially with respect to x, then treated y as a constant. And in a similar way, del f over del y, it means differentiate f with respect to y and treated as x as a constant. So del f over del y is equals to x to the power y log of x. And if we put this value in this equation, we know that del of f is equals to del f by del x dx plus del f by del y dy. To find the approximate value of 1.04 to the power 3.01, we consider that x is equals to 1 and 0.04 is the increment in x. It means it will be dx. And for the y, we let y is equals to 3 and 0.01 is dy. Here we can denote it del y or dy. Both are similar in case of approximation of error. So its value is equals to yx to the power y minus 1 dx plus x to the power y log x dy. After substituting values x, dx, y and dy, we get d of f is equals to 0.12. It means if we change x in 0.04 and in y 0.01, then the change in z f is equals to 0.12. And if we find out the complete value of f, it means 1.04 to the power 3.01, we have to add this value in f of xy. So its complete value is equals to f of xy plus d of f. So its value is equals to 1 to the power 3 plus 0.12. It means 1.12 will be the right answer. Thank you.